Hello everyone. Today we are talking how to get information from any phone number. These methods are 100% free and 99.9% working. Let's talk about the first OSINT tool you can use. No one Google.com. Yes, first you can search for it on Google. Type the first try with country code and then try country code. You will find a lot of details from this method. Remember to add a double quotation between numbers, it will avoid your destruction. Number 2, social media platforms. Just like you are Googling, try using your social media platforms to search for the phone number in the search bar. A lot of guys are on the internet and they sell products, vehicles and other things on the internet, so simple Google search and social media search you can gather more information than you even imagine. Let's talk about a free website you can identify the phone number owner. Number 3, Truecaller.com. You just need to sign in with an email account, then you can search any number. You will get good results definitely. Truecaller.com offers a free limited search package and an unlimited payable package. These 3 methods are free and highly recommended ways to find any phone number from anywhere located. Don't waste your time with junk spamming software, they even don't know most public numbers.